Okay, so what's up, video? So today we're going to play Gargoyle Tower. So anyways guys, so first of all we do virtual. Make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, we need to beat that game. So anyways, we're going to beat that entire game. So I just beat the a lot of games. So I'm going to beat that game if I want guys, okay? So why does she faster than me? And also I'm going to beat her so much. I need to beat her. Let me beat her. Okay, why there's so many players? What? God. Okay, we need to not fall guys. Okay. We need to not fall. Wait, I should just use this cheating. Okay, let's fall her. Come on. Why? Hello? No no! No. No 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 no. Wait, I should just wait. This is easy. I think it's easy guys. Oh whoopsie. Oh my god. No. Okay. Up. Yes. I need to beat that game guys. We need to beat this game. We need to beat this game in easy mode, guys. Oh my god. How? No! Bro, are you kidding me? You know what? You know what? I'm going to